Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how you reset your cPanel password. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you want to go ahead and open up the official cPanel website right here, cPanel.net if you haven't already, and after that you'll be able to get started managing your account in the upper right corner. You can get started clicking the account option right here, and now we have two options. If you don't already have an account, obviously you can register for a new one or you can log in, but as you can see, one of the options is also forgot password. So guys, if you know your account username but have forgot your password, what you can do is open up this option right here, and it's going to enable you to input the email address that you use with your account. And once you submit your email address, it's going to go ahead and send you an email with the steps on how to get started resetting your password and sending a new password for your account. But what we can also do is follow the steps right here. As you can see on the official cPanel.net website, we have an article showing us how to reset a cPanel account password. So basically, after you open up cPanel, it's going to look like this. This is your main dashboard, where in the upper right corner you can get started accessing your account, and in your account you'll be able to access your settings and your security settings, from which you will be able to go ahead and reset your password directly. So as you can see here, we have the steps how to reset it. Basically, you're going to navigate to the following location in your browser, then you can click reset password, and you can enter in your cPanel username and then click reset password. So you can follow the steps right here to use your cPanel directly to reset your password and use it normally. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.